Hello, human person. What is the name of this strange new planet I have discovered? Earth. Aha, aha, ha, 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 ha. What's so funny? Well, where I'm from, the word Earth is the name of a procedure where you get your prostate checked for irregularities. That's not funny. That's a serious procedure. Yes, but it's a funny thing to name a planet after. Well, that's what we call it here. And where are we exactly on this planet you call Earth? Melbourne, Australia. Aha, 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 aha. What's so funny now? That's our word for an examination process of your large intestine with a camera. Why is this planet obsessed with that medical region? Well, what's your planet called, then? My planet? Why, I am a proud leader of the planet Explosive Diarrhea in White Trousers during a tour of a local winery. I don't think I'm going to take over this planet anymore. You were going to take us over? Yes. But now I'm going home. This place is too silly. And frankly, it's reminded me of something I need to do. Oh, brave Zargelflepp. What have you learnt from the many new worlds you have discovered? People of explosive diarrhea in white trousers during a tour of a local winery. Remember to book in for an Earth exam when you have reached 50 space years. Also, Melbourne Australias are performed under anaesthesia, so it's not that big of a deal. My test results were normal! Strange how our languages overlap in some areas but not in others. Why don't you shut your face, All Blacks? No one cares.